जी तो provinces, rivers, deserts and mountains. So in this way you are going to draw a table. I hope you can see the table clearly. This is the complete table. So here you are going to write the names of the 4 provinces. Here we have the rivers, important rivers. Here we have deserts. Here we have mountains. So whatever rivers, deserts and mountains are there in Punjab, we will write their names here. In Sindh, we will write their names here in these blocks. In Balochistan, we will write their names here. And in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we will write their names here. Okay, so starting with Punjab. I'll do the first one for you to make you understand the question. The rest of it you are going to do. Okay, for Punjab, let's come to the book. Okay, Punjab, come to this column which is physical features. Okay, so the first one we are going to write about is rivers. So let's find out which important rivers we have in Punjab. It has 5 important rivers: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej. So what are you going to do? You will write the names of these 5 rivers: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej. Okay, in this way you have written the names of these 5 rivers. Now coming to the deserts which are located in Punjab. The deserts which are located in Punjab, let's find out. Yes, Cholistan desert is in the southeast of Punjab. So what is the name of the desert in Punjab? That is Cholistan desert. Okay, after this comes the mountains. Let's find out the mountains in Punjab. Suleiman Range, Margla Hills, Salt Range. These are all the mountain ranges in Punjab. Alright, so we have to write their names here. Suleiman Range, Salt Range, Margla Hills. Alright, so in this way you are going to write about Sindh, then about Balochistan, then about Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and everything is mentioned in your book in this column, physical features. Okay, one thing which I want to explain over here is that in Sindh, they have not mentioned any mountain range. Let's come to this point. Indus River flows into Sindh. So the river is mentioned here. It has a desert like Thar desert is also mentioned. As Karachi borders with Arabian Sea, it has 2 parts which are used to load and unload goods for international trade. So what is missing here? That is the mountains. So they have not mentioned the mountain range here, which I'm going to mention for you. Actually, Sindh and Balochistan, they share the same range of mountains, which is Kirthar range. Some of it is in Sindh and some of it is in Balochistan. All right, and similarly in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, if we come to KPK, there is no desert mentioned here. All right, so actually there is no desert in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So in the deserts column in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we'll just put a slash because there is no desert in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. All right, here I have some maps for you because today I wanted you to go on with me with the maps and see the physical features by yourself so that it gets very clear on you. This is the map of Punjab province. This is the map of Punjab province. So here you can see easily that these little pointed things, they show mountain ranges. So this is the Salt Range in Punjab. This is the Suleiman Range in Punjab. All right, and see now the rivers. These blue lines show the rivers. See, this is the Jhelum river flowing. This is the Chenab river. This is the Ravi river. This is the Sutlej River and this is the Indus River. And Indus River is coming here. It is dividing into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So the main river is the Indus River in Punjab, and it is getting divided into all these rivers. And where are the ranges? The mountain ranges. These are the mountain ranges. The Salt Range, then there is the Suleiman Range, right? So this is how we go on. And the desert is also mentioned here. See, this is Cholistan Desert. This is the Cholistan Desert, which we have read about in our book. So I hope these physical features are very clear on you as far as Punjab is concerned. So let's now go to Sindh. This is the map of Sindh. See, in Sindh, as I have told you, this is the Kirthar range. And along with this, which border is there? Balochistan. So Balochistan and Sindh, they both share this Kirthar range. These are the mountains. Some of it is in Sindh and some of this range is in Balochistan. So Sindh shares these mountain ranges with Balochistan. And the river that is here, see, it's the Indus River which is flowing. This is the Indus River. This is the Indus River which is flowing, and it is going to which sea? The Arabian Sea. See, from Karachi, Karachi is joined with Arabian Sea on one side, and this Indus River which is coming from Punjab. From Punjab, this Indus River is coming and it is flowing through Sindh and it is dropping into Arabian Sea. Now I think you must have understood it very well. So now let's go for the desert of Sindh. This is the third desert. This is the third desert. These are the physical features or the landforms of Sindh. So now let's go to Balochistan. This is the map of Balochistan, and you can see easily that Balochistan is mainly made up of mountain ranges. There are so many mountain ranges in it. See, this is Toba Kakar range. This is Suleiman range. I told you this is Suleiman range. This is Rasko. This is Siahan range. This is Makran range, Makran Coast range. This is Pub range. This is Central Bravi range. There are so many mountain ranges in Balochistan. So Balochistan is mainly a mountainous area. It has very less land where agriculture products can be grown. So most of it is made up of mountains. And you can easily see that from here it is connected to Punjab, and here it's the Kirthar range which I told you in Sindh. Some of the part of Kirthar range is in Sindh and some of it is in Balochistan. So here it's the mountain range, here, 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 here and here. So there are such a mountainous, this is a mountainous area basically, Balochistan. And where is the desert? The desert is here. This is the Haran Desert. This is the Haran Desert here. All right. As far as rivers are concerned, there are less rivers here. Balochistan, a part of Balochistan is also connected to Arabian Sea. From Gwadar, Pasni, Ormara, Jibani, these are the cities which are connected with the Arabian Sea. So there are some rivers such as this is Hingoli River, this is Dasht River, and we have read about this is Zob River, which we have read about in our book, Zob River. Okay? Zob River, Hingoli River, this is Hub River. See, we have read about this as well. This is Hub River, Hingoli River and Turbat River. So there are very less rivers here, and most of them are going to the other provinces, and here they are dropping into Arabian Sea. Now coming to NWFP or KPK. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK. This is the map of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and you can see the mountain ranges Hindu Kush, Himalaya. These are the main two mountain ranges here, and the rivers are Swat River, and this is the Indus River. See the Indus River. The Kabul River, Swat River, and Indus River. These three rivers are the main rivers of KPK. And there is no desert here because basically it's a valley which is in between mountains. So there is no desert type landform here. Coming back to page number 20, now we are going to have an assignment about the capital city and important cities of every province. We have read about it that Punjab, the capital city of Punjab is Lahore, and the important cities are Rawalpindi, Faisalabad, Sialkot, and Multan. Similarly, in Balochistan, the capital city is Quetta, and the important cities are Sibbi, Gwadar, and Kalat. In Sindh, the capital city is Karachi. The important cities are Karachi, Hyderabad, Larkana, and Sakha. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the capital city is Peshawar. And the important cities are Swat, Kohat, Mardan, and Abbottabad. So we're going to have a little assignment on this as well. And this is our question number 4. I hope you can see the question clearly. Name some important cities and the capital city of all the 4 provinces. The first one is Punjab. The capital city of Punjab is Lahore, and the important cities of Punjab are Rawalpindi, Faisalabad, Sialkot, and Multan. Similarly, for Balochistan, for Sindh, you're going to write the capital city, which is Karachi, and the important cities are Hyderabad, Larkana, and Sakha. So in this way, you are going to complete this question. It's very easy, and you can easily do it with the help of your book. So I hope all these assignments are clear now. Inshallah, see you next week with some other assignments. Thank you.